Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Alright guys, blessed love. Yeah, good. So welcome to King Life in Jamaica. And hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are and anywhere you're watching from. You know, so I'm having a cane juice. So I'm gonna literally head into Spanish Town. You know, head into Spanish Town to give my donation to Miss Gracie. You know, so it's been a while I've been over those sides, so you know the journey I will to get over there. So that's where I'm gonna head to. Right now. You know, so let's link up. So you can see the members them. Oh, so one chef there. Oh, Jack's here. What boom there? Oh, chef, short boom. Short boom there. Yeah, shit too. Yeah, shit not lying too. Yeah, shit not too. Man will like kick up. Yeah. Wait, the bung up.
Yo, me case and cover up that no man.
Watch my face, man. Oh, chef, for the whole pack, you're ready.
Already up man to cover up man, you know? Oh, you smell like shit. Me case and cover up that one.
Spanish, so where I go? You my way to sleep. Oh. Colors with them pots. I will my cook. Where go on? Where I cook?
I'm just cooking some little rice with a tin of bully beef, bro. In the car, I will look for one candy.
Oh.
But sorry, you know what? You should have seen that in the right outfit.
Yeah. When?
In Lilo and Blackout today.
Oh, yeah.
And Lilo and Black suit.
Wow. That you go in.
Never want to think. Never want to video me.
They have to see it when you're clean and see it when you're dirty. They can't see it one way only.
You know what I'm saying? This man that came from the airport, you know.
Yeah.
It was very sticky over there last night.
Sometimes tea, sometimes coffee.
We have to wait for 2 late flights.
Yeah, man. Sometimes tea, sometimes coffee. Yeah. So you cook some rice and what?
Yeah, with a little bully beef. A little corned beef, I should say.
With some sweet corn.
Yes, and because I guess I know, jacuzzi bed, you know, when me and I got to sleep, you know.
Yeah.
And wait. And plus, look now, I have a charter from Montego Bay coming to visit me next Wednesday.
Okay, so you have a date plan.
Okay, no.
Yeah.
That's smart. Because tell the dog fires, him not gonna put that dog.
You're that one there.
Yeah.
You're that one there.
Big spell the temple, you know, them have the colors.
Yeah.
And me say, look, the colors part in my
color spot. So you hear that colors, you have to color the pot.
Yeah, man. Oh, what you say? You should have a color pot.
Yeah.
Oh.
Alright then, look
yeah,
over.
Yeah, probably that's who go on, man.
Yeah. to the family. Guys, so we're here in Spanish Town. Yeah, Spanish Town is at distance. Yeah, so we're here in Spanish Town, guys. So see Miss Gracie. You know, we got a donation to give to her. Then gonna pass through it by Mama River, you know, just for a bit, and then come back down. Well, Gracie not dead then? Oh, she did it, man. Let's do a push up. Lock the dip on there.
The door, though, you know what I'm saying? Pull the phone on.
Let's push it, push it in.
Fix it, man.
Miss Gracie?
Gracie!
It's Charles from UWIA. Oh, it's Charles from UWIA.
Nikisha, open the door, please. Oh, God. Up here. Up here. Here, pin in and Mr. Moore. Look, man, tell me.
Wash off them and eat and leave for flight.
What are we going to do? I'll put on the tablet. Yeah, we do another door, too. That's a window. Yeah, people now.
Hello. Hello.
You smell good.
Thank you. How you doing?
I'm fine.
You fine? High five. You on holiday now?
Yes.
Good, good.
I know which class I'm going in.
Which class? You know?
Miss Earl.
Miss Earl? Is Miss Earl a good teacher?
Yeah.
Strict?
She's my grade 3. She's gonna be my grade 3 teacher.
Oh. Is she strict?
Huh?
Is she strict?
No.
No? So you're gonna be okay then, right?
Yeah.
I know you're gonna do good anyway. Right?
Yes.
How is your is your sister or cousin?
Because she come on yesterday.
Or the sister?
No, the other granddaughter.
The other granddaughter, right?
Yeah, she came yesterday.
Oh.
Oh, the kind of yesterday.
How's she doing?
She did today, you know. So she want work.
Okay.
And she want some stuff back.
So how was your tablet? It was on it just now, right?
Yes.
What, you playing game?
I don't have a game. I'm
What?
just watching something.
I was just watching YouTube. Oh. Nikisha.
Oh dear God. You know what I'm feeling.
Are you in pain?
Mom, we can't do work. Look at that food, please, Nikisha. And why you have the light turned on? Nikisha, why you do that, man? I said, I don't money to find no current. You turn on the light, you know, to light, man. Sure.
Oh, you buy a
I
light.
buy everybody. Come like a phone care, they put it on like phone care.
Oh, tap up.
Yeah. Oh dear God, help me. My stomach up pain me. Hey, me say, God, a good God, you know? Lord have mercy, thank you, Jesus. You did hungry at tear me kin. You know what time I take my phone, about 3 times I take my phone, so I call you, know? I hear me now. No, I call you. God have God, me I trust God.
So you go to hospital the other day?
Yeah, man, me did admit.
What things happen?
The heart of the trouble, man, the heart of the problem.
The heart.
Too much water. Wrong the heart. Go put them in soil. I can't put them in soil, you know.
Oh, them set up back again.
Oh dear God. They man, I give God thanks for life, you know.
So I'm to the things where they take.
The money to buy the stuff, they don't have it. They don't have it. Some of the people them kind of, the people them kind of easy because they don't help me out. Let me buy some and then give me some. But no money not there. I know everything is money.
So you swell up back now.
Yes, swell up back, you know.
So what them say about the art?
The heart have too much fluid around the heart.
So them tell you what to do if you can leak the fluid from the
Then give me
art?
some. Then give me some water pills and some water. Something to take. I'm gonna see the herbal thing in our better, you know.
Oh, so them here now really work?
They not work. We not take them and they not work. Nikisha, bring some water and please. Oh God, it me.
Not working at all.
Not work. Hear about something not work.
But you still taking it?
You hear about something?
No, what them give you?
Me take it because me can. Do what? Me take it because me can't do no better. Me take it so I can go and now go me just take it. Alright, now I'm pain the retiness one.
Right in your stomach.
My stomach and my heart. That pain me. Nikisha, what? God have mercy. Because you don't know you make it. Suppose me didn't want to know so me drink suck. My God, this place, you know. My God. How much $100, please?
How about that? Train?
Yeah.
Train coming in. Alright, passing.
Sit up, boss.
The pass. Can't hear it, man. Long time I said the good old train room.
I'm not too long. What you in Cranberry then $2,000 and then father.
Oh.
Not too long watching.
Okay.
How many there? How many watching you, know? Like call. How many there? $1,000. Me can't manage to go for yourself go cook again, you know. And me can't stand up in the kitchen a little bit.
So who cook for you?
What? They tell you the truth of dry food or when meals one there. When in there and they cook and they put in the fridge and me have to go and they don't have dry food and I go buy box food and that's not good.
It's not good.
That is not good at all.
So your granddaughter, she can't cook?
My granddad,
Teach her to cook?
yes, she can cook, yes. But me tell her nowadays take her school. School does not too long. Once since we can our school girl again.
Okay.
And her phone now work.
Oh.
Me call her and tell her the truth, you know. Who took corona because of the father, because the father can't do it. When the father not there, when the father did not find the mother, she always come and ask him, but second then can't agree.
Where the father there?
My big son, the one that they come here last time.
Oh, living here, sir? Oh, so him and her,
No, not the same father.
not the same father? Okay. Oh, so it's not her father then?
No.
Okay.
He's my
The one they come see watch with their uncle. The
Okay.
one they come sit down in this over there.
Yeah. Oh, fair father.
Yeah, father.
Okay. And the one who come see what you, Nikisha father.
Nikisha father.
So the one who comes to sit down what you, where him there?
Him did in the also so him come sit down. Him did in the my program. Yes, that him the program today.
Okay.
And then I help.
None of them?
None of them I help. The one who that help for the mental or the one who mental ill. I don't like that.
You hear anything about him?
Then I went. Since last week, I think a Sunday come check me beg me dinner.
Okay.
Beg me dinner. I said God could have just help me that somebody in a medical field could have taken him off the road and give him some medication and stuff. Me would have glad he come back around because if him did that and he put my not supposed to God no.
Yeah.
But there I give God thanks for life anyway.
Yeah, forgive that. Give
God
God
is good.
thanks.
He promised never to leave and never forsake you. Every night we put on some prayer for you. And they do one of them. And the dream team. Pray for them and ask God to bless you now.
Yeah.
Because I do a great job, you know. Because every time I watch something, every time I take up my phone 3 times. I'm just take up a play me play a game. I keep my mind occupied.
I have some donation where some donation we were saying so the next granddaughter to get $2,000 as well too.
Okay.
And Nikisha.
Run go call the
Or should I close by?
Yeah, I'm not for price actually. Run go call the dealer.
How are these going?
Yeah, go and tell her I say no call her.
How far should I?
I'm not far, not too far. Just the first lane not come on and not drive come on.
Yeah.
Turn this right there lane is actually.
Okay. Let's go and fight it.
Why me tell you no, we have to fight it, you know, have to fight it by God's grace.
Sorry, the situation reached to this stage where, you know.
I tell him, could I get the herb money? Could I get the money to buy the herb or get the herb? Not even the money like the herb. Could I get the any herb or somebody will know the situation? I could have helped.
I can really see the foot them swell up,
Yeah,
you know.
man, my pain
It's like
from my
it's
birth.
where, yeah, even on the top there, so it's
Yeah,
so
man, the food and you saw the third and caca look at like a top red banana.
Captain Tool was really real
And the
it's all
hide,
fluid in them.
now pass out the food. And the hide then get the glasses. The doctor said the glasses won't change.
Oh, it won't change.
Yeah, get a higher grade. We get for read and so what. I don't pursue myself and I just give God thanks enough for life and I agree.
Yeah.
Go and live one day at a time because you can't rush it. God see your needs and always come through for you every time. Always come through for me. No, give up at all and I can't give up neither.
Yeah, for sure.
I just try go and fight it. Sometimes if you follow the situation you give up, because right now I tell you the truth. If me did have one, if me could have get one of the wheelchair, one of the wheeler, a problem, you know. Never do, I think I'm a weight do it still. Could I get one of the electric chair, man, me could have charged her. Me could have go to the road, go buy a little vegetable, a little thing. Me not nobody to buy nothing, because I put it in me, I tell you the truth. I put it in not do, me don't know. What do they happen in nowadays, me don't know. Me don't know what to do. I don't know what to do them at all.
Well, watch and see what I go and do.
God not give more you can bear though.
Yeah.
Not give more you can bear.
That's one thing for sure.
Yeah.
One thing for sure. So we upon the next one to come as well to some of
Yeah,
us.
man.
Do everything one time.
I'm happy here now because she did on her face now. I want to stay for one day, yeah? You not tell me say phone, I come here call phone and I not get a phone.
Good evening.
Evening.
No, I'm in my kitchen and tidy it up because I use it yesterday. But I think they didn't wash up.
So like, I eat out the whole of the
You
food.
see when I tell the whole life phone and I leave no food.
She not leave no food for you.
No, I leave me at all.
Last time I saw her the other day. And no.
It's been a while.
It's been a while. Good though.
Yeah.
Okay. Been helping your grandma.
Yeah, she tell me.
She tell me so she go do me and get it up.
Let's go do it.
Yeah, I'm trying to pull out again.
Okay. I like a year. I have $2,000 a year for you.
I did tell you.
Yeah.
Nobody get a message?
Thank you.
$2,000 from Lucky Star
Thank you, Lucky Star.
from New York.
Yeah. I appreciate it.
Alright, so give thanks. Well, we have $1,000 for you as well to Nikisha from Lucky Star.
For your skin off your teeth.
Yeah.
What you say?
Yeah, put it
Thank you, Lucky Star.
yeah, put it in your pan.
Really? Are you kidding me?
Where you go put it?
Me and grandma put it up for me.
Okay. Alright, so. And this is for Nikisha, for you again. Nikisha.
For your back to school.
Yeah, so from Donna D, from New Jersey. $3,000 a year for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Donna D,
Donna D
from New Jersey.
from New Jersey.
So please you can thank Donna D and Lucky Star as well.
Lucky Star and Donna D, thank you very much for sending the change from my two granddaughters. I'm so appreciative. May the Lord bless and keep her. Never empty.
So I got $3,000 worth for you, Miss Gracie from Donna D.
Thank you. Thank
New
you, Donna
Jersey.
D from New Jersey. May the Lord bless and keep her. Your store basket may never empty. Thank you very much.
So we give thanks to Donna D. And also we have Anonymous as well to send $5,000 to buy Nikisha school shoes
Okay.
from Canada.
Okay. Thank you, Miss
Anonymous.
Anonymous from Canada
Yeah,
for the $5,000 for buying Nikisha school shoes.
yeah.
May the Lord bless and keep you. And your store basket may never empty. Thank you.
Kisha, I get pretty shoes.
Afford it and 5 afford.
Afford.
Oh, 5.
A 5.
Okay, one person.
They stick up in and you have to call them properly.
Yeah, for them
I
robots.
don't like them new money.
New morning. So we give thanks to Dana D.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Anonymous.
Anonymous.
And Lucky Star.
And Lucky Star. Thank you very much.
Yes.
May the
And
Lord
give
bless and
thanks.
keep it.
We appreciate, we give thanks and big up yourself, Lucky Star. And thank you as well to Dana D and Anonymous, for helping out the family. If we give thanks, them really appreciate it. So we give thanks, So, then it's Gracie, so
Thank you.
I'm going to run and leave,
Yeah.
So I hope that can help out in some ways.
Well, we give thanks, May God mercy bless
So
you
I get low.
and keep you.
She said she gone buy lunch when she got school.
You may go school to wear something. You buy
School holiday now.
You go buy
School shoes.
school shoes. You go to school.
So she want buy KFC with her money.
And okay, she go chicken and chips. All she go buy. She have done from man and feet.
Oh, she want chicken and chips. So now you can get chicken and
Yes,
chips.
she like the sweet.
So you have to go start cook for grandma now.
I'm tell her so me can't do
Yeah, no,
it.
I just because me being busy. I come around here and check on her, but me without when school never did lock in their school. Me like come home at 5. When me come home I want to sleep. We just tired. So
Okay. Alright then. Alright, Miss Gracie.
Thank you
Take
very
it easy.
much.
Take care. Okay, Nikisha?
bye
Alright, bye. Alright then guys. So we out of here. Now I'm Riverside now. There with the Wow Chef. And boom. And Rasta Jackson. And the Jacksons. Rasta Jackson and the Jacksons. Here in Spanish Town. Trench Town, Spanish Town. And in Trench Town you have zinc fence also. Spanish Town, zinc fence too, so it's just the way the situation is over here as well too. Alright, yeah? But the thing here, so we give thanks for the liquor that we can do because it goes a long way, you know what I mean? It goes a long way, so we give thanks and we appreciate the love every time. So we thank our excellent family for blessing each and every one on the program. We thank them so much. Colors! 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 You drop asleep in the jacuzzi.
I was watching that show near your razor, Kina.
I use a razor to shave your head off.
Yeah, they tell me to trim there like this, so, But it will take a long while to go over Kina.
Who tell you to trim?
Like my TikTok fans them.
Yeah. Why?
It's still bad,
And drop asleep.
You're gonna cost me,
Drop asleep in the jacuzzi.
Me go buy this morning,
What then? Remote?
Remote, yeah, universal.
So what happened to the last one? Mash up?
Yeah, sleeping. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is what me buy this morning, Kina. Take a look. Me buy this because the TikTok of them they bring me some groceries, you know.
Oh.
So me buy this morning to put the groceries them in.
Store it from the ants and them stuff.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying. And I don't know if you want anything in the fridge here.
I'm good, man. I'm
You
good.
sure?
Yes. Fridge stock out.
And this is a hot plate where they buy me too. They buy me a hot plate, you know.
Yeah, you told me.
Yeah, see right there.
That's why I'm see you with the pot. Say
Yes,
you cook.
big up to my extended family, everything. Don, you're Kina. Last night.
More news, good news.
I wear last night. So I did it. I said, Kina, I see this lady come touch me. I said, Colors, she's right here. She watched me on the program.
Oh.
Yes, brother, she gave me $20.
Oh.
Yes, man, and this is her husband. So her husband right here.
Okay.
And this next lady now, this virgin, him show about this lady in the wheelchair. So I see him come, I say, Colors, that lady I call you. You know, when I go in at the outfit, the lady love her, you know.
Oh.
She gave me $20 also.
Oh. You see that the outfit I take life, man.
Yeah, I say I'm a TikTok friend them key, you know. And him, I think you're supposed to know him. He watch my your program too.
Okay.
But, you know, he never. Sometimes say that's okay, bro.
Yeah, man. Sorry, man.
She lay low and black when I want to beat.
Oh.
Jesus have mercy, you know. And then yes, this are the brown and white one when me wear with you. All over TikTok I post them, you know.
Yeah.
Wow, I see the Mr. Kino this mad. Take her here.
Colors like you just come off the
Oh
plane,
my
boy.
God. Yeah, when they saw me, they asked me if me I fly out.
Yeah, is it they flying out or you flying in?
Yeah, man.
It's one of them.
Kino, boy, I say, you know, she remind me when in here they look like one foul cup. They say, lady,
Okay.
you so long she been watching?
Yeah, long time.
Yeah. But
I know it's cottage.
you know, she tell me, see the people love me so much.
One colors, man.
Yeah. You get something from me?
Yeah, yeah. So this will put together with the
You know, this for keep in here, you know.
sweet up the place.
Wow. Yeah, man. Buy this last week, buy this again.
Make the place smell so fabulous. So fabulous.
They told me that's why they love me so much.
Yeah.
Always.
Grateful, you know.
I have a visitor coming from Mobile Tuesday. She named Shan Queen.
Shan Queen. So like a queen.
Them did analyze her brother. So the body, them are come figure, I don't know, something. The body are up at Orange Street.
Yeah.
You know the parlor up there.
Yeah.
So they have to reach up there by 8 a.m. in the morning.
Okay.
So she called me and asked me. I said, you're welcome, she and her mom. So when they came now, I'm gonna let them sleep in this bed and we sleep in the couch.
Yes. See
So
that.
you want to see the sheet for up on the bed
Aye. Jacuzzi. Oh yes, I have a donation here for you from Heather.
Oh my God, Heather again.
From Connecticut.
Heather, oh my gosh. Heather, I love you so much. When you love colors in a Heather. Thank you so much, Heather. You say I never suit out. Alright, now this?
Yeah, man. Okay, man. Are you them colors, you know?
Okay.
So this is $10,000 from Heather from Connecticut.
Heather, thank you so much, Heather. Oh, so guess I know key now. You know, I'm going to buy something more for putting at the cottage. I don't know what I'm going to buy, but I have to buy something.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably look for more groceries. Yeah, you know.
Yeah.
Monday I'm going to do that still. And some more water and juice in the fridge.
Yeah.
Yeah, you get me, Kina?
That is that.
Yeah. And then, Kina, you know, I have to buy like a Dutch pot. Like we can steam fish in a man.
Okay.
Yeah, because see me on a broad plate when I steam fish, I can, you know? Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Fish on the plate.
But now step up, take time, step up, you know?
You have to step up in our life, man.
Yes, Kina, remember, summer, you know?
Summer is here.
Pick up, yeah. So you know, say, Kina, the next time when you forward around here, you know? Go, nah, go.
Nah, man.
Nah, man. You see me, Kina? Heather, me thank you so much.
Alright.
And big up every extended family. Colors love you, no one love me. I have to give thanks to Kino too. Kino is the one who made this possible. Yeah, so Kino,
Big up yourself.
yeah man, and thanks. Big up again, Heather.
Yeah.
Love your extended family. I'm out. Okay.
Alright.
So
then,
Kino,
fellas.
what I'm saying?
No, I'm good, man. No, I'm not floppy color. I'm just eat and everything, so I'm good. Respect. Yeah. So yes, guys, you know, colors I was want to buy me something, so I'm saying I'm good. Long time show, man.
Yeah.
Remember we had a show house, you know.
Alright. Definitely.
Yeah. Alright guys, so give thanks. Thank you so much, Heather. Thank you so much for blessing Colors with that donation. You know, so now I got one for Scanner, so I'm gonna hand this one to Scanner before we head up to Miami River to say hello, because guys, we have a big surprise coming up, you know. We have a big surprise coming up for the Cranberry family, you know, so I'm just gonna give them a preparation, what things we need to do for when time we're gonna announce that big day, you know. So we have a big day coming up, you know. We're gonna have something big happening for the Cranberry family, so we keep our lips sealed for now, but we just put them on them guard to see what them have and what we can work with from now. So that's why I'm gonna pay them a visit to speak to them half year, because I don't want to put no clue yet and them not get no clue neither. So I'm going to try my best way, see how I could literally try to do this so they have an idea and the big surprise that they're going to get. And you guys, you know, until on that day, so I go on, you know. So trust me, big thing in the making for the Cranberry and family, trust me guys. So stay tuned, we'll see Scanner and they will head up there right now. So let's say love.
Last night, you know, my soldier.
Wow. Look who's here. Scanner! Philip! Where's everything? Scanner! Philip is here. Are you in bed sleeping?
No, sleep.
I'm sure I watch you. You sure watching you? Philip, so how is everything with you? We're on? Still have no free up yet? Still lock up same way? Gotcha. And Scanner make film unlock up more now.
You don't get no therapy.
No therapy.
No, go with my friend and show me a therapy. I ain't got a therapy episode. I'm going to try to have money.
Yeah.
Make sure I'm going to select myself up and make show me how to log on with the people and pay them.
Because your hand come here, your hand never lock up so much.
Yeah.
So much?
Like how my friend, like how this is.
Yeah. 20? So guys, that's the strokes that done that, you know. So he got a strokes and Philip got a strokes as well. And Philip one did kind of free it up one at a time, though. So you just stop.
Can I get tight back, you know?
Get tight back.
No, this is
You got therapy, you know, so now I want to always bring a lot of therapy.
You got therapy? And I want the oil lock up, see me?
want more therapy.
You want more, yeah, because maybe you not get enough therapy. Then again, sometimes you have to try to exercise it yourself.
I want to buy the people and give me some try to see that.
Yeah. Or the ball.
Cool, I'm just trying to fucking have a beer, but whether it's those douchebags
I have one donation fee still, so that's why I pass by from Heather. Heather from Connecticut. Yeah. So you know Heather sent $10,000 for you. Yeah. Jackson, come here. Come count this for Scanner. 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
12, 8, 9, 10.
10.
Yeah,
10. Ada, she said, clean up positively fearing. Thanks, Ada, Miss Ada. And thanks to Kino and the crew. And Miss Ada, thanks. And extend family, extend amount of respect and thanks. Yeah.
So good time. So come on, yeah? Alright, then you Philip? Yeah. So we here. Trust me, the weather is hot here in Jamaica. So I guess we underneath some more heat. We have more heat. Every year Jamaica get hotter and hotter and hotter. Trust me. It's so hot.
Fire and the love free man, I want to kill that. No fire really.
Eh? Guinea done? So you done the guinea for me, Nana? Nana, want you know, so I'm going to find a different data. We can't do cranberry no more.
3, 2, 1, go!
No, man, that good still.
Tyra, let's do it! Tyra, let's do it! 3, 2, 1! Good job! Yeah!
You need to change that top there. How come you not have on your bra? No, it doesn't matter. You need to go put on the bra underneath that, because that have mesh that is see-through. Hey, go from here. Go and put something underneath that. Oh, she gonna play cousin for the morning? You're cold. You don't say you're sick. You're still sick? Still feel sick? Oh.
Sorry, you see that? I gotta go do it.
Alright guys, so basically Nikisha is going on the road, you know, so I'm gonna break the news to the dad and then give him an idea of what I want them to prepare. They will prepare themselves for and everything, but they won't know what's going to take place. So I'll just let them know that they prepare themselves. You know? So the mother is not here, so we'll see the daddy. And then we'll go on. Nana. So whoa, you swim. You might want to come up here. This guy, so Cranberry was wearing a top, but they was a bit see-through, so she had to put on the under top, you know. Where your eye behind from? Right here. Where your eye from? So you have guinea pen and give me no guinea? Oh. What's that?
I want you. I know.
I want this?
Yeah.
Is this one guinea? So who for them here?
Your friend.
Your friend? Where they sell it?
Yeah, the guy.
The jar? It's not them where you sell that? No.
I will never have none.
So what you saying now, Guinea?
You tell us I will never have.
Why?
So I think tell her to take out the whole of them.
It's alright, man.
Oh, me?
Me? No, guys. When you say me stop deal with Cranberry and find a different data, I hope you guys don't say anything. And I hope she don't feel that way. Right? Hmm?
I'm just at the big party if you want to buy. And
who I go buy them? Me not buy that.
Right.
Oh. I'm done with you. Today, I'm done with she. No call me no daddy neither. No more daddy. He said, don't call me no daddy. Not yes, you. There's a done with me and her guys. No must not start. No more. She not trick me. She don't put on no guinea for me. She not put on nothing for me. Nothing at all. It's only Nana look out for me. I'm look out for she. Talk the truth. Nah, go work. Nah, go work. Nah, go work. It nah go work. Nah, go work at all. So you get left. So you not have to tell me nothing. Yeah. Nothing. I have one surprise plan for you know. You know, give me.
I tell her second. Wallace.
No, I don't want to give up. Hold it.
Wallace.
Hold it. Through my talk, you want to give me. Hold it. Listen. Hold it, give up.
See that? One jump.
Yeah, man. You forgot to eat it. Eh?
Oh.
Man, no, give up from you. Go ahead.
What will you?
I feel sorry for me. Charge your party. Feel a little better.
No, no, well, man, I'm a week out here when you have a charge party. I can't in that bed.
Yeah.
I'm going to sit down.
That nah, this
that one else I'm gonna do like COVID I do it already. I COVID I'll do enough for you.
Still nah, help man. Trust me. No, I got help. Can you show the tail? Yeah.
Solid.
Yeah. So that's what's going to feed up on the good thing, on some strong soup on them something, you know. Alright guys, so let me say. Yeah. Alright guys, so let me say. I just speak to the dad, you know. Well, Kenisha is not here to tell them about what the big surprise is gonna be, but we don't give them no idea yet. But preparation to prepare themselves, isn't it, for that big day. You know, so let me say, stay tuned. You're gonna hear the big announcement, and so when time we are talk out of the place. You know, it's a good experience for the dad seeing me, and also a good experience for the whole family. You see me? Trust me. You know the thing goes already, so I don't want to put too much yet, but maybe from you guys here, I'm saying you might have a slight idea what me I talk about. You know, but trust me, you're gonna know. You're gonna see where I go on. You know, so once everything come true, it's supposed to. Yeah, man, big day for the family. Big day. So that's the case, man. Happy just go and do your thing, see me, man. You know, I go see me, you know. Yeah, go and chill out. So, no work now, go and cause the father go and relax himself because he need the rest. Cement in the bag there?
Yeah, cement tonight.
I don't think the rain not far for now still. Rain not far for now. Is that pit this year, so?
Yeah.
So this stuff full up yet?
Yeah, this full, but that's
Oh, it's full?
Next pit, yeah.
Oh, it's on small pit?
Small pit, man.
Small, that's why. So they go full up quick.
And it's a good while, because it go about 9 years.
9 years? Yeah, 9 years. So that one there, we don't say can go? Years.
I don't see no even half of that one there.
Years that one they can go for. This guy said, welcome to mom. So charge it.
Yeah,
I'll keep the link, yeah? Yeah. I beg you, please, yeah?
Yeah, man. I'm going to say Monday,
yeah, it's a must. Yes, guys, so, yeah, man. So it's going to be a good look. You know, it's going to be a good look for the family. So we just want everything to come true. You know, everything is aligned and then we're ready for that mission. So I'm saying, guys, I wasn't on a long mission today up here, you know, because I just come to break it to them because I was calling the phone and I'm not getting through. So because I don't really have much time, you know, and I have to come speak to them to get the information that I want so I can pass it on to the person because I need the information ASAP. So I was calling them phone but I wasn't getting through. So that's why I have to pop up here, you know. So I'm not going to be here for long. And I also want to go down to Grove River, you know, because I meant to go see the owner, Burger, Little Paradise, you know, to get my quick pass through, you know, just give my look in of what's going on and then looking to port back again, you know. So we ain't staying here long. So the kids them here swimming as usual.
So she make sure she pass, she takes weed for she not yeah. Alright, she was scanning to that.
Oh. I know my yard to go. No. Water cold, no lie. But after a while it's gonna get nice. Bye. Yeah? Tell me buy already. And I'm a daughter anymore, I have a new daughter. I don't lie, I have a new daughter. Yeah? Anna? Don't call me no daddy, I'm not your dad. I have a new daughter. Tell her I say I have a new daughter, yeah? Yeah. New daughter me out. I'm gonna bring her and come show you tomorrow. Alright then, watch and see.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.